And we're back at 8:43. If you have a small business and a big dream, what would you do with $50,000? Well, the new CNBC Prime competition series called Crowd Rules gives 3 small business owners the chance to convince a panel of experts and the studio audience that they deserve that cash.
A small business needs to have a focus, and I'm not sure after seeing that I can say that you do.
Well, our focus is fiery condiments and specialty food.
Again, love the passion, but listen, have you ever heard of a term called over-assorted?
Well,
because I'm a little worried.
Have you ever heard of a term called a little harsh on the contestants? Entrepreneur and jewelry designer Kendra Scott and New York One anchor Pat Kiernan are the 2 panelists on the show. Kendra and Pat, good morning.
Good morning, Matt.
You put these guys through their paces, don't you?
Well, we're there as advocates for the crowd of 100 that ultimately makes this decision. But from that idea of crowdfunding, we take them through and ask tough questions.
You get a little tough love. I mean, you gotta get down to the nitty gritty sometimes to find out what's
and I'm kidding you. You know what it's like to run a business. So if somebody doesn't ask these questions now before they try to get into business, they could be in trouble later.
Absolutely. I understand what these businesses are going through. I started at the spare bedroom of my home with $500. I've grown a brand over the last 11 years. I get what they're going through, but we also want to make sure that they're going to be able to use this $50,000 and use something that's going to make a difference for their business.
Well, it will make a difference. I mean, $50,000 is a lot of money when it comes to a small business.
Right, and it's not a loan. They're not asking to be paid back. It's not an investment where you have to give up half the company. It's just $50,000 that they can use for whatever they want.
I mean, it's for me, if someone would have said, Kendra, here's $50,000 in my, when I was starting my business, no strings attached, it would have been a game changer.
So help me through this. An expert takes us behind the scenes with each business, correct?
You don't want to take the companies at their word for how great they are, so we send somebody out, they go to the headquarters, and they check them out.
And then the audience, you say you're advocates for the studio audience, they really have the say when it comes right. They get 97% of the vote, right?
And they often vote against us.
No, they do. We're only 2 votes out of 100. So, many times the way Pat and I have voted is not how the crowd voted.
The guy said he has what spicy condiments? What was that? What are some of the more unusual ideas you've heard?
There's an ice cream truck that has a stripper pole on the top.
That's right.
No, what are the more unusual ideas you've heard?
One guy had a desk that you hang on the back of your hotel room door.
Right, a stand-up desk. I love. There's a really great product that has kids-colored hair gel. I mean, it's just a gamut. These are, it's the mom and pops, the small businesses, and what makes this country so great.
I love this concept. I really do. The show is called Crowd Rules. Pat, Kendra, thank you very much. And you can catch the premiere tonight, 9 Eastern and Pacific time. That, of course, is over on CNBC.